Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update code snippet and functions.php file on your WordPress or WooCommerce site. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is we can scroll down right here until we can see the appearance option. Here's the appearance option. Now from in there, it will open this menu, so click on the theme file editor. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the theme files. Now, we need to look for the functions.php. As of right now, the one that is open is this tiled CSS. Now, you can see in here this theme functions, which is the functions.php. So just head over and click on that. And then from in there, this will reload your page again in order to see the theme functions.php file in here. Now, make sure to select the right theme to edit this case. Now, we have in here this, so just head over and scroll down. And then just put in here some few spaces and add the code snippet that you want to add in this. And then after that, just head over and then save this particular code snippet that you have added to the PHP file on your WordPress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.